Voila, now we might need to add a line right there because a lot of people like that line. On a backup camera, so rear view, backup camera, you want to take all this clip out, the Phillips. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, did I count that or not? But it's 9. I'll drill a hole right there so I can run the camera, and I'm gonna put it right there, clean it up, and use a double-sided sticky tape, and then screw it later. So I mount it like that. Next, I'm gonna use the duct seal and seal this thing right there so the water won't go inside. Voila. And then just put license plate back up. Now plug the yellow for the video together. Plug the power. You do not need to hook up the ground, guys. Don't hook up the ground. This ground right here, do not hook it up. Now tap this to the white wire right there. You see this? To that. That's a white wire. Just slide into this clip right there for the wire. And if you want to, you can zip tie it right there. I'm going to do that, and a bunch of stuff here, so I'm gonna just go on there, throw it over there right here. I mean, I'm not trying to move everything out. As you can see right here what I'm dealing with. Pull this right here for the seat to come down. Here all you have to do is just go like this. You can slide it in there because it's not, the wire is not thick enough for you to really need to take it all out. There's no tool needed. I mean, it does come with the prior, the plastic prior. You can do that if you wanted to. I'm not going to. So you run down here, you can run it up like this and go straight there, but you got zip tie. But I ran it down under the carpet and go straight over there. Remember, this is an older car, so there's not much you can do sometimes to make it look beautiful. But we'll do it our best since we are professional, but this video is not professional. Next, you want to plug this, you want to use this USB and slide it down here. Oh, I don't know what's going on there. Oh, I don't know why this damn thing. Alright, so what we got right here is that red wire. I had to hook up to the accessory ignition because somehow it's staying power all the time. It's got a short somewhere. That's probably why his radio is bad. That's not working, so it probably burned up like that. So, and I'm not gonna, so the next one is brown, which is reverse. So you're gonna hook up the reverse right there, and then you're gonna have to plug in your reverse plug. Should be right here. Plug that reverse in. See, that's for the reverse video input. Plug it in. Now I'm looking for the antenna, so I don't know where he put it at, but I might have extra one, so I'm gonna just throw it one for him. That's a charger. And now I'm gonna plug in the two USB. Actually, one of them's got a USB plug array, so all I need is one for the 6-pin one, and just push that in right there, and I don't have to use the other one. So I slide it all back in. Sliding the vent in also, it's gonna match, and push it in. So let's test it out. So I'm gonna put on reverse, just turn the key on, put on reverse. Voila, now we might need to add a line right there because a lot of people like that line out here. Check it out. So them a reverse line right there. When you go to, I'm gonna show you, go to car setting. Basically, in order to get to car setting, this is a main picture right there. You want to click on this, coming over here to car setting, and then go all the way down till you see the reverse line. Click that on, and let's put that on reverse again. Line should be on. There we go, and that's it. See, if you put the ground in, you'll see the big line right there. You don't want to see that line, so this is perfect right there. And thanks for watching.